How to fix camera app not working on Android? To fix this kind of issue, firstly you need to restart your device. Hold on the power button and restart by sliding towards the restart. Simple restart on your device can fix different kinds of glitches of your camera applications. So the second step what you need to follow is, if you have opened the camera on your device, you need to completely close the application for a while. And after that, what you need to do is reopen the camera app and see whether your camera app is working well or not. If it is not working well, you need to check for the app permissions. Tap and hold camera app and tap I button to access the app info page of camera. Select permissions and then make sure all app permission is allowed. Mostly camera permissions should be allowed. If it is denied, then your camera app will not work well. The other step you need to follow is, on the same app info section, tap on storage uses and clear the cache and data of camera. Lastly, make sure that your camera application is up to date. If not, you need to update the camera app. If there is any physical error on your camera app, you need to clean the lens gently with a soft cloth if needed. Otherwise, if there is any cracks or if your mobile has been dropped, then you can easily visit the service center if your phone has been contact with the water or any kind of drop has happened to your mobile device. So in this way, you can easily fix camera app not working on Android device. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.